Hello, it's Marcus Cattani here. I'm quite often asked by research students how to go about finding a journal that's going to publish their paper. So I'm just going to go through a few hints and tips about how to do that. First of all, there's a few things that you need to know about how journals go about making their money and becoming popular. So first of all, journals will only publish papers within their scope. And unless you're the Nobel Prize winner, the chances are you're going to have to find a journal that includes the scope of your paper. Second of all, journals are ranked according to how many other authors are citing papers within that journal. So in other words, it's a popularity competition. So if you can publish a paper that many other authors want to cite, then you're going to assist that journal improve its ranking. So in other words, we need to write papers that are going to be popular within our peer group. Thirdly, journals are ranked within a series of discipline codes or categories. And fourthly, the journal ranking are defined by quartiles. So the top journals are in the first quartile, and often that's called a Q1 journal. Q2 journals are the second quartile, and then obviously we've got Q3 and Q4 quartiles or journal rankings. So the most popular or the most highly cited papers are in Q1 journals, and the ones that aren't cited so much are in the Q4 journals. So in other words, it's going to be, if you're a beginner in writing academic papers, you're more likely, if you find a journal with your scope, to get it published in a Q4 journal, but there's not going to be so many people reading that or citing it, but it's a good place to start. So how do you go about finding the most suitable journal? So here's an example. You found a paper that is similar to your article, and you're going to try and write something for that journal that's in that sort of theme. So first of all, let's find the journal itself. So this one is Safety Science. So you click on the Safety Science and it takes you to the Safety Science website, and then somewhere on that page there is a ISSN number. That ISSN number is a unique identifier for that journal. You go to the Shimago website and you put in that ISSN number, and it brings up a ranking and some information about the Safety Science journal. Now you can see in the middle there are some of these discipline or category codes. Now if you click on one of those codes, you'll then bring up the journal listing of all of the journals within that category. So then you can go down that journal listing and find a journal that's suitable to you, and go to their website, have a look at their scope, have a look at the other articles, and see whether your paper is suitable to publish in that, or you write your paper in response to that scope. I hope that was useful.